535 Heather, Bedford, Ohio. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. Has a 1-car garage. It's got a newer garage door on there. It does have central air. And then you can see it's got a fenced-in backyard. Let's go inside. We just recently painted this. Coated the wood floors. Has a newer kitchen in there. The kitchen was put in about a year ago. It's brand new. Very open floor plan. So you can see here it has all the nice wood floors in it. Let's go over here. New paint. You see, nice dining room. Nice place to plug in your big screen. There's 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So here's the first one, has double closets. Nice big bedroom. Here's the bathroom. We just redid the tub. And here's another bedroom. Good sized bedrooms, real good sized bedrooms. Newer windows too, so that's another big plus on this one. As you can see, it's got the vinyl windows in it all through the house. Let's go in the kitchen here. Kitchen is newer. All new cabinets. About a year ago they were put in. The fridge and range all stay and they work. So new flooring in here also, vinyl. Let's go upstairs. Nice, you know, it's got the usual upstairs, huge bedroom situation. So you can see, nice big bedroom. It does have a window air up here, but again, you got your vinyl windows up here also. It's got pine wood, but it's a huge bedroom. You can do whatever you want with. Has some nice storage and big closet. Then you also have a lot of room in the basement. So let's go down to the basement. So there's the same new flooring. So you can see here you have glass block windows also. And a nice big finished basement area where you can do with whatever you want. Lastly, over here you have a kind of a storage area. Washer and dryer stays. Water heater is newer heater. So this is a nice house. Come out and look at it. Bedford, Ohio. Thanks.